The kitchen sells the home.
Yeah, it
And
does.
of course, like updated in every way is best, but that doesn't mean that you have to do absolutely everything. If you've got a house that you want to sell and you're looking at it, you're like, wow, these old oak cabinets have been here for 20 years with those same brass handles and that ugly laminate countertop and those same old 30-year-old light fixtures. You can switch out a lot of things for a lot less than just a complete kitchen redo. Get a new countertop. I mean, even a new laminate countertop that's in a granite pattern looks better than the old 1987 laminate countertops of our childhood. New handles can freshen up a look. Paint your cabinets. You could paint. I've seen a lot of oak cabinets that are painted that cost a lot less than completely redoing all of the cabinets.